Hi, my name is Pete Sampson. I'm the owner and creator of My Music Office, an online way to organize your music program. In this video, we're going to go over the details of the uniform inventory section of the website. So I'm on the main menu, and I can go and click on the uniform inventory icon and be brought to the uniform inventory. You'll notice on the top, this menu will stay with you the entire time you're in the uniform inventory. Those choices are Browse, Add New, Search, Reports, Assign, Order, Transfer, and Options. Above the listing, you'll notice a quick select for uniform type. So if I wanted to quickly go down and take a look at all of one specific type, I can do that. If nothing's found, it'll display the choice that nothing has been found. Over on the right side, you'll then see your normal drop downs to decide how many listings are on the page and which page you want to go to in your listings. Every record can also be sorted by clicking on the top of the column. So if I want to sort by brand, I can click on that. Doesn't start with any brands, but if I were to go a couple pages deep into the list, you'll start to see the brands appear. And then by item type, gets us back to our default setting of item type sorting. To see the details on a record, you simply click on the record itself. You'll notice not everything is filled out. It all doesn't have to be. It's whatever is needed to make sure that you are organized for your program. And not every choice will be applicable to the actual item being put into the database. So you can see the item, you can see all the details here. You don't have to go to a different screen to see that. If you want to edit the record, you can by clicking on the pencil icon, delete with the red X. And over on the other side, there are check boxes in which you can check the items you want. And down here at the bottom, you can mass delete if you choose to do so. In the Add New area, the only thing you have to choose is item type. So if I want to say that I have a show choir uniform, what brand is it? We'll say it is the brand. But as I type in, you'll see different things show up as we go through. So we can call it Dance Sophisticates. You can put in a general size, large, medium, small, and then you can go into great detail on the different measurements of that actual piece of uniform. Okay, the cost uniform, you can put an image of every single uniform into the database. If I click here, and then I go to my desktop and put a picture of the dress that I'm putting in here. I could then go to location, say it's at the high school. Is it currently being used? Yes. The item number, if you have one, an inventory number, student assigned. You can only assign a uniform piece to a single student. Purchase date and last clean date, you click on the icon and you can choose the date in the calendar choice. Purchase from, alteration info, and comments. Down at the bottom, you have choices of whether or not you want to either go back to the main uniform inventory screen or whether or not it'll bring you back to this screen after you enter it in so you can enter in another record, whatever is good for you. So I'm going to say return to the uniform inventory. I'm going to put it in, and now I'm going to do a search for show choir uniforms. Here it is. And then when I look at the details, there's the dress in the picture that I put in there. Super easy. So that brought us to our search function, in which you can search for pretty much any different way that you have put in a piece of uniform by its size or by generalities. And so you can be able to find it really easily. Reports allows you to make a printable report. So you can go here and choose from any of the standard reports that are in the system, or you can go down here and do a customizable report by filtering out and searching, and then naming your report and choosing how you want to sort the report right here. All reports are made for easy printability, and so you'll notice it looks very nice and easy to look at when you print it out. To assign a student to a piece of equipment, all you do is choose Assign. Go here and say, you know what, I want to assign it to a student. Here's a list of all your students. I choose the student's name. Nothing's been assigned to that student yet, but I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose what I want that student to be assigned. And I want that student to be assigned bib, item, and now it's been assigned, size 30. If I want to get rid of that assignment, I can click here on return. If I want to see the details about that record, I don't have to go anywhere else. I can just do it right here. Let's get rid of that. The Order tab actually has some of the most popular companies to order some things from as far as uniforms are needed, so just for your kind of ease of use, and these are all great companies. In the transfer area, you can both upload and download your uniform data from My Music Office. So if you want to download your uniform data, you can choose the field you want to download. Click here, and then here is a text file in which you can then put inside of another program like Excel or Sheets to be able to mail merge into, say, like a word processing program to do labels or something like that. You can also upload into My Music Office. All you do is click on this template file and download it, open it up in Excel or Sheets, go ahead and paste all your information into the proper columns, save it, and then choose the file and send it up. Please make sure you look at the instructions. And if you do have any issues whatsoever with your upload, the uploads can be a little finicky because it makes sure that the data isn't corrupt. If you have any issues at all, just go ahead and email the file to webmaster@mymusicoffice.com and let me know you need some help. Or you can put in a help desk ticket. We will be more than happy to help you get any database upload into the system. In the options area, you'll see the normal global options of ensembles, which is where you can either select or deselect the ensembles that kind of work for your particular program, so you don't have to look at all the options in the menus. And then down here are the uniform specific options such as uniform type choices and location choices. Hopefully this really helped you out in learning a little bit more about the uniform inventory section of the website. Remember, My Music Office starts at only $199 a year. For 3 years, you save $100. For 5 years, you save $200, which really just gives you a free year. And you're going to find it to be the most affordable program on the market and by far the easiest and with the best customer support. Once again, if you need anything, feel free to contact me at webmaster@mymusicoffice.com. And I hope you have a really great rest of your school year.